On our fourth day, we're going to
Fushimi Inari Gates and Mount Moiwa.
from our hotel, mga 4 minutes walk lang going here sa subway. And we're waiting for the subway. We're here now at the JR Hokkaido bus station. 11:28 pa dadating yung bus. So we have 30 minutes to wait. So we're just enjoying the view of this bus station. Ganda dito. Sobrang ganda, ang linis. I'm happy. While waiting for the bus, hintay muna kami dito. Yan, we're watching them plow, clean, mag-ayos. Ganun kagaling ang mga Hapon, ano? Nadadating lang ng bus. First time namin na nakatry ng na-late sila. Maybe because sobra nga ang look at this, oh. Grabe ang taas ng slow. Normally, talagang on time sila. Ngayon lang, first time. Yung bus na sinakyan namin. So, nandito na kami. We're gonna walk.
Keimei Terminal.
Keimei Terminal. Okay, there's a 9-minute walk going up the shrine. Pagod na ako. Paakyat. Pero kaya pa. Medyo may pataas. Finally made it here at the top. Such a beautiful place to visit as well. Here in Sapporo. Nakit na namin. You're supposed to wash your hands here. But of course, I see it's frozen. So for now, we're just gonna go up there and offer our prayers.
Good health.
Good health. And more money.
This is our DIY trip. Madali lang siyang gawin. So, huwag kayong matakot na mag-package tour pa kasi mas mahal. Sobrang easy lang nito. Kayang-kaya nyo. Kaya, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your life. Be kind, be good. Iisa lang yan.